Buenos dias, bonjour, good morning, top it to the morning to y'all. Let's get this show started. So first things first, I gotta brush my teeth because my mouth feels so nasty. Then I'm just gonna put all my weave into a bun. It's not really a weave, but I just like to say that. I actually grew back a little bit of my sideburns, or at least my side pieces. I forgot how curly they are, and the hair is so new and fresh, and I love it. This is one of my favorite exfoliators. Not only is it a physical exfoliator, as you can see all the little white things, but it's also a chemical exfoliator, so it's gonna go deeper into the skin, into the sebum. I don't do this every day. I do this maybe about 2 to 3 times a week. Next up, I'm gonna add coffee. Yes, you heard, coffee. I'm gonna use this obviously as a physical exfoliator, but coffee also promotes blood circulation, even out skin tone, refreshes, and leave the skin smoother. Your neck is so important. It's just as important as your face, so please don't forget your neck. So now that we removed all of the dead skin cells, I'm going to go in with my acne face wash. Now I don't have a lot of acne, but this does help keep any oncoming acne that I have at bay. And this I did get from the dermatologist. I like to go in small circles in my face, and then I like to play the piano. Now you don't want to dry your face all the way, just leave it a little bit damp. This is going to help the mask absorb better and faster. Okay, today I don't know what's going on, but I am the sample queen. I always love to use my samples before I use my full-size products. This one I have been enjoying. It's been leaving my skin very re-energized, refreshed. I can definitely feel like it's been detoxified. Continuing on with that upwards motion, I'm applying a generous amount of the mask whilst avoiding the eyes. Yes, darling. Oh, now that I look like an orange pumpkin, I'm gonna go ahead and turn myself into a giraffe because I'm gonna put black dots on my face, and that is where my acne spots are gonna be. And this mask is specifically for acne. I was supposed to do this before I put the orange one on, but I forgot, so I'm doing it now. I waited about 15 minutes. You want it to be firm on there, but you don't want to leave it on too long to where it irritates your skin.
One eternity later. Eventually.
There are so many benefits to applying ice on your face. You could potentially freeze whatever you want, like vitamin E, which is great for skin rejuvenation. When you have a zit and you want to get rid of it ASAP, just get an ice cube, hold it on there until the ice cube is completely melted. I do this gently on my eyes because I get a little puffiness under my eyes, and it just feels obviously so cooling and just so nice and just refreshing. Witch hazel is the foundation of so many toners. Toners can help cleanse your skin while also tightening your pores. Yes. I like to go directly on my skin. I don't like to use a cotton pad because I feel like it wastes product, and I am not about that life. And I'm tapping the toner, pushing it into my skin, not rubbing. If you guys have noticed, I'm air drying my face. It's not completely dry, it's just a little bit damp. I just started using an essence, and I really am loving this one because it also has anti-aging properties. An essence is basically just a primer for all of the other products that you're going to put on your face. This one just happens to have more benefits. And this is the infamous Hendrickson banana cream for dark circles and puffy eyes, and I obviously put way too much in here. Tapping that from the inner corner to the orbital bone to the top of my brow. Okay, moisturizer. I like to dig out my moisturizer like this and just spot my entire face so that way I know I'm getting the entire circumference of my face. And I'm going to be massaging that in small circles in an upwards motion on my face, whilst also getting my neck and taking care of my hands. Getting that Vasaline for extra hydration on my lips and extra growth for my eyebrows and my eyelashes, keeping them moist and soft. Last but not least, we are going to protect our skin. Yes, no matter if it's not sunny, if it's cloudy, whatever, those UV lights still come through, girl. Along with the face, neck, and hands, do not neglect your décolleté, your chest, because that is also another first sign of aging, girlfriends. Acne spot treatments will help you eliminate the bacteria faster. Just make sure you get one that you can use during the day. Okay, now that's all that's left for me to do is to just do my hair in some way. I don't know, I guess I'm gonna do this braid, I'm feeling whatever. That is pretty much it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys got some good tips from this, and I will check you guys in my next video. Bye!